have found an awesome abandoned railroad bridge. We are going to check it out. You want to hit below and then we can do the top?
Okay.
Sure. All right. I'm kind of assuming this is part of the same rail system that we were at before over at Rockland.
Yeah.
They used to, 1916 area, they used to railroad oil from from this area, from Pittsburgh to Buffalo area. So we were over at the Rockland Tunnel. We didn't find the Kennerdale Tunnel. The Rockland was very nice, but look at this old stonework. Look at like people drive right down here. Yeah, that'll be fun to walk across.
To walk across.
Yeah. Beautiful. Little goat path right here. Wow, look at these guys. Awesome polypores. They look way bigger than turkey tail.
Is this what I saw over there? Are they orange and white still?
These are green.
I saw
These,
ones at our last stop that were curled.
These is a different. This is a different kind. It's got.
Oh, it's toothed.
Toothed. That one's got. That one's toothed, but this one's a polypore. So there's false turkey tail. This is false turkey tail. And I don't know what this kind is. Because you see, well, I mean, you can see the different. This might be regular turkey tail because you can see all the different lines of color on it. And it is a true polypore on the bottom, but it's just old. But they're very big.
Okay.
The biggest problem I see here is to get over this. The goat path does not look bad.
Hey, listen, there's a walking path.
There's a walking path. We're going to have to use that one. Yep. October Adventures. PA Outdoors Couple. Alright. We are between Rockland and Emlenton, Pennsylvania.
Rockland and a hard.
Between a Rockland and a hard ways? Yeah.
Rockland and a hard way.
Right. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah. Glad I didn't use the goat path. Whew. Whew.
Okay,
There's Marge.
we are up.
Marge. All right, we did it. We still gotta go under that tree though, but we'll figure it out.
Well, this isn't maintained.
No. So it is awesome to think that this was a rail line not too many decades ago, really.
This is dangerous.
And boom, trains would just rail right through. Sounds weird, but maybe like you camp out here someday, maybe you hear a ghost train or something coming through. It is October. So. I'm not as good as she is at bending over to get other things. So I'm going out and about.
Oh, there's another.
Yeah, oh cool.
But this
That's
maybe not safe ahead of us.
Well, that's gonna be safe.
What?
That is for an actual used road. See the rails and stuff on the sign?
I don't see the sign, but I do see the. Yes, I do.
Awesome.
Mhm.
Oh, we're not even on it yet. This is all earth.
Or even more unsafe. Safer right.
There's the ghost path, the goat path.
Oh, okay. And now we're on top.
Yeah, we're on top.
On it.
We are on it. Oh, well, there's some stuff on here, and there's maybe a way to walk down the other side. That's a cool tunnel too, though. You get 2 for 1. That's a 2 for 1 deal.
Well, we're going straight out into the water. Into the big. Looks like a big bay. It doesn't look like it's.
Try to get around.
It's streaming. It's open over there.
It's awesome. Really cool. Let's see if we can get on. Try to get over. Whoa, we got some birch polypore right here.
Careful.
I'm careful. Got some birch polypore, and here's the creek. We're on top of the old trestle. And right there is birch polypore. Awesome. Whoop whoop. Oh, okay. Oh, if you can go down to the other side. I might as well do that. Is it look okay? See the other side. You see the other side of the bridge. There you go. Awesome. A little fishing hole. Well, this has been Paul
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors Couple. A nice little surprise. And a double bridge.
It's cute little bridges.
It is. It's a really nice area out here. This, southwest of Franklin area.
It's quiet.
It is quiet. It's quiet and really pretty. And on this beautiful, beautiful October weekend. So, until next time, cheers.
Get out of the hole. Ah, what's your finger?